Hey guys, today I am starting some globe amaranth and I thought I would talk to you a little bit about that. I've grown globe amaranth or Gomphrena for a couple years now, and they are a wonderful plant to grow. They love our humid environment here in 6A, Missouri. They do need netting because our strong winds will knock them over, and so if you provide them with some trellising, that helps alleviate that problem. Globe amaranth can be put out after the last frost of the year. They don't like the frost, they will die. So I am starting today an orange globe amaranth that was part of a sunset mix that was sold by Floret a couple years ago. I don't know if they're still selling it, but I just saved my own seed. Globe amaranth are one of those things that you can save the seed from and it will actually grow back true to its mother plant. So that doesn't always work, but in this case it does. Because I get less of orange when I plant these, I mean, maybe they just have a lower success rate of germinating, I'm not exactly sure. That's why I am exclusively growing orange in at least part of my tray. I do have the sunset mix that I'm gonna plant as well because I like the other colors, but whenever I start the sunset mix, I end up in the field getting maybe 2 or 3 plants that are orange and the rest are red, and I think the other color might be pink that's in there. So if you haven't grown globe amaranth before, I will put up some pictures of what they look like. They're beautiful. They're small. They don't provide a lot of bulk in an arrangement, but I think they're cute, and they're just tough as nails. They live forever. You do have to keep them cut because they will go to seed pretty quick if you don't cut them, but they're amazing flowers. So I'm going to show you how I do this. This tray that I'm using here is a tray that I got from Farmer Bailey because I ordered plugs last year, and so I don't know how to get these trays. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon or online somewhere, but I'm just using an old tray. I save all my plastic trays because why not? Okay, so here we go. I have filled this with a seed starting mix that has been moistened. It's not sopping wet, just enough to not be dry basically. So here are what the seeds look like. The seed itself is actually inside here. It's like at the base of this. These are the old petals from one of the orange flowers, and the seed is actually in the base. So I'm gonna plant this just right on top. Stick it. I'm gonna kind of press them down as I put them in here, and then I am going to go back and mist over these because they need that water to wake up, and then I will also cover it with vermiculite and put it under the light. I'm just kind of pressing these in as I go. So other varieties that I'm starting this year are carmine, purple, pastel mix, which is purple and white and kind of a light purple. And then I saved from previous years this red that I'm gonna start today. So I know that Johnny's has a strawberry fields that I think is really pretty, but I did not get around to ordering it this year, so I'm going to go ahead and do the red that I saved behind. And like I said, I'm not sure of the exact name of all of these because they came as a mix and then I divided them out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the camera and continue on with this. And like I said, I'm going to spray it down with water. I'm going to put vermiculite over it, and I'll get back with you about the germination.